Akko released the V5 Cream Yellow Pro switches, which promise smoother lubing, tighter molds, and less ping at a low price of $10.99 for 45 switches. However, with many solid budget linears available, are these switches any good? Let's find out. Thanks to Akko for sending these out for a review. When it comes to the unboxing, the new plastic boxes are nice, but it does feel a bit wasteful because as soon as you open the new boxing, you see their old packaging inside that. Once I installed the switches, I noticed the stem wobble is minimal, which matches Akko's claims about better molds. However, I was surprised to find that even though they are 5-pin switches, they do not fit snugly in the PCB. There is noticeable movement when pressing or nudging the switch from different angles, which I have not experienced with earlier versions of the Cream Yellow Pros or similarly priced competitors. The 50-gram operating force strikes a nice balance, and it doesn't feel too heavy or too light, which makes it a very good middle ground switch for both gaming and longer typing sessions. Sound wise, these switches have no noticeable ping and lead toward a deeper clack profile, so I wouldn't describe them as thocky. The factory lube job is consistent in the batch I received as well. The LED diffuser helps RGB builds shine more evenly compared to switches without them, so if you're focused on creating a setup on lighting aesthetics, these switches are a great choice. At $10.99 for a pack of 45, Akko is still one of the top options for budget switches. However, competition has gotten tougher, with switches like the Vertex V1 priced similarly but offering a tighter fit and smoother performance right out of the box. If you liked previous Cream Yellow Pros and want a more refined version with better lubing and a cleaner sound, these switches do deliver. Let me know if you think Akko got this refresh right in the comments below, and if you are interested in purchasing them, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description as well. Other than that, enjoy the sound test.